happy Sunday, everyone. Happy Sunday. A blessed Sunday to you all. It's a privilege to be alive today and well. So bless up everyone who is watching right now. Big up on yourself. Enough respect to you guys. Welcome to BLFTv. I'm your host Faina, and I'll be cooking you barbecue ribs today. Yes, and I will show you just how I do my barbecue ribs. But before I go any further, let me take the time out to welcome all the first time watcher to this channel. Welcome, a special welcome to you guys, and I hope you join the family. If you're not yet part of the family, I hope you join the family. Okay, so let me shout out to my family now, all the way in Kenya, which we say hello in Kenya, we say Jambo. So Jambo to all my family over there in Kenya, Africa, the motherland. Big up on yourself, guys. And to the entire United States watching right now, big up on yourself as well. Another shout out to my families in England, Canada, Europe, the entire Caribbean, and Jamaica, of course. White House, Westmoreland, Long Hill, Petersville, Kiev, Clothing, all of the adjoining community. Big up on yourself, seeing we and all my family in Savlama watching me right now live. Big up on yourself. Welcome. Yes, guys, it's a privilege to have you here on the live with me today. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you how I go, because as to prepare my rib from scratch, right? Because, you know, rib take a long time to do. It's really take like 2.5 hours. So, I have to go ahead, did some preparation and start ahead of time, but you're not gonna miss anything because I did record it, and I'm gonna show you how I do my prep for my barbecue ribs. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so this is the membrane of the ribs. You want to remove this, right? This I have like 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. I have here another teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1.5 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of meat seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion, sorry, right? Okay. Mix this all together then. Alright, so, and then we have 1 tablespoon of, let's use 2 tablespoons of green season. This is blended green season. It consists of thyme, scallion, ginger, garlic, pimento. All of those are in it. Right? And just a little bit of browning, like a 1 teaspoon right there, guys. All of this. Alright, so just gonna go ahead and just put it like that. And just massage it in. There. Alright, so there you have it, guys. That's how I go about seasoning my barbecue ribs and let it marinate a little, right, before I place it in the oven. And this take about 2.5 hours. It been in the oven now for at least maybe 2 hours now, so we don't have much time because I'm not gonna keep you long, right? Couldn't keep you here for 3 hours, guys. So definitely hard was to go ahead and prepare. Yes. So guys, I'm gonna go over into the kitchen because I still have to do some work in the kitchen because the rib is in the oven, but we still have to do some other stuff in the kitchen. So let's go over into the kitchen, okay? Alright guys, so we're over in the kitchen right now, but let me just check on, I'm gonna check on, yeah, and I go down there, so mama. Let me just check on the ribs and show you how it look right now. Alright. Whoa, heat guys. So alright, so if you notice the bone. Let me move this one. Okay. Look what's going on over here, guys. Let me just move the camera a little bit over here. Alright. If you notice, you see what's going on, guys. It's getting real soft right now. Look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it over. Alright. But this is very hot, and you don't want to use a spatula because you don't want it to fall off the bone, right? Alright, so guys, tastes nice already. Alright, see? So guys, I guess me have it in the oven for at least 2 hours and add, right? Oh, what time now? Alright guys. So this is what your ribs supposed to look like. Oh my god, guys, you know, I want to smell the aroma from the kitchen right now. It's smelling so nice. Alright. This is how my ribs are looking right now. Alright. I'm going to make a sauce for it and coat it, and then I'm going to place it back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Alright. Let me just move it out of the way a little bit. So I'm going to show you how I make my sauce for my barbecue chick ribs, okay? Alright, so here I have some cranberry with grape juice right here, just to get a little tangy taste. My sugar, barbecue sauce, and I have some brown in here for color. I like it when it's very dark. That's me, guys. You don't have to. You can also use soy sauce, but I don't like soy sauce that much. Or probably the one I have, I don't like that one. So alright, let's get into it now. Alright, so I have my sugar here, and that's like 2 tablespoons right there. And I'm gonna put some, and this is barbecue. What happened? Okay. Alright, guys, we're just stopping it. Let me just get this little girl right there. Ah. My my little acting soldier in the kitchen, guys. That's my co-cook. Right? Alright, let's get back into it. Alright, so you're right. So barbecue sauce. Let me add some more. Alright. And this is my grape-cranberry juice. Right there. And this is some browning, guys. Alright. And also I'm gonna add some honey, not much, because I use the sugar. I'm not gonna add much, just a little, like a tablespoon, just to get a different taste. Alright, and combine this together. Alright, you just want to mix it in. Just like that. Yes, guys, ribs is one of my favorite, I should say. Ribs is definitely, and if you try it my way, you will definitely enjoy it, and you should try it and let me know how it goes, right? Just the way I'm doing. Alright, so I'm gonna add some more because I need some to put at the side. Alright, that's good. Yes, guys. So I'm adding a little more of the grape cranberry juice right here. Right. Right. You just want it to thick, not too runny, guys. Alright. So I'm gonna coat my ribs with this sauce right here and place it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Alright, so everything get infused with the sauce. Right? This is browning, guys. And you don't have to use the browning. You could also just use the barbecue sauce just like that. But as me tell you, I like mine a little dark, so this is why I add the browning. Because the browning only gives a little darker color, right? Alright, guys. And this sauce is the bomb. Trust me. Very nice. Okay? Alright, so sauce ready right here. Alright, but before me do anything with the sauce, my pot over here is ready because I will sit right down within the kitchen. So my pot right here is ready because I'm gonna do some mashed potato. Okay? Alright, let me wash my hands. Alright. Do some mashed potato, I have some Irish where I already peel already. Went ahead and peel. So I'm gonna just cut them up, guys. Cut them up small pieces so they cook very fast. Right? Just like that. Remember, guys, please share the live. Please share the live so others could join. Yeah? Oh, Jumbo Pablo. Okay. Oh my God. Yes, guys. So somebody asked me where I learned to cook. Really? I'm not a certified cook or anything, but My father was a very good cook in the he cooked some nice dishes you wouldn't believe. Guys, I got to show you some of his dishes then. Trust me. He was a great cook. Yeah. So I guess I learned from him. So I guess he taught me really how to cook. Right? Yes. Okay. Thanks for sharing. Thank you guys for sharing. Thank you very much. Alright. Let me just, okay, put some in here. Remind me to put the salt, guys. I didn't put any salt. I'm going to put some salt. So remember, remind me to put the salt. Alright. Alright, so when you cut this in small dices, it's cooked very fast, right? Alright, guys. Are we say right and whistle? That's exactly what we're doing right now. And we're going to make some garlic, mashed potato right here. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright, so let me add some salt. And this is like a tablespoon. Trust me. Not tablespoon, a teaspoon. Sorry guys, sorry. A teaspoon really, sorry. Alright. So right and whistle. Alright, so back to the ribs. Okay. Back to the ribs, guys. Alright. Let's fix this rib business right now. This is the deal. Alright, so you're gonna coat it with your sauce. Just like this. Well guys, if you notice, I cut up some of my ribs and I do a big piece just to show you. You could also cut it up if you want, or you could do it like a big chunk, but because my pan wasn't long enough, I decided why not show you the two ways that you could do it, right? Right, so it doesn't have to be long in the pan. You could cut it also. Alright. Alright, look at that guys. I wonder if you could come get a zoom up with the camera. Alright, but okay. Okay. So guys, last week really, I had something planned for Halloween. Oh my god, I was so excited and anxious to show you. But guess what? I'm gonna show you a little bit, because you know I have to give you guys a little treat. So I'm gonna show you. Since Halloween gone, we're gonna call it a treat, not a trick. Right? So it was a treat. Alright, so after you do this side, you're gonna put it in the oven just like that, guys. And then I'm gonna turn it over within like, put this in the oven like for 2-3 minutes and take it back out. I'm gonna do the next side and then place it back in. And then we're gonna make it stay for like 10 minutes, okay? So let's proceed. Alright, so this time when I'm putting the oven, I'm not gonna put the lid, I'm gonna leave it open, okay? Alright. Alright. Just like that. Alright. Are we say right and whistle, right? Okay. This is what our ribs is gonna go on, and so I prepare some stuff ahead of time. So guys, I I have here all the stuff here, which is shredded carrot, shredded purple cabbage, and also some shredded lettuce, the iceberg lettuce that is. So I'm gonna show you just now what I'm gonna do right here. Okay, all right. Alright, so this sauce that I have made, we're gonna use it. Put some on the side, like if you want to dip your ribs, and you could eat your mashed potato by just dipping it. Oh my God, it's gonna just melt out in your mouth, guys. So you got to try this recipe that I'm doing right here. I'm gonna leave all the instruction and the ingredients that I use in the description. Okay. Alright, so place some sauce in this little container right here. Alright, that's about it, guys. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna come over in the studio and talk with you for a minute while the pot goes melt down, as we Jamaican would say, melt down, right? Okay. Alright, guys. Okay. Alright, so I will say right and whistle, right? But before me do that, guys, wash my hand. Get this out of the way. And you're watching BLFTv, where I'm doing barbecue ribs oven style, guys. It's finger licking, and I'm cooking up some mashed potatoes at the same time. Gonna serve you hot and nice, right? And this is pretty simple and easy to do, because as you see the step that I take earlier, and after you marinate your ribs and you place it in the oven, you know, you just time it, put on a timer, and in 2.5 hours it is ready. You coat it and you have yourself a nice delicious ribs. Okay. Alright, so guys, this is my Irish over here, so let it go and cook, as we Jamaican would say. Alright. Alright. We are right now. I'm gonna come over in the kitchen, the studio pretty sharp, but before I do that, let me just prep my plate. You understand? Let's get a little prep, guys. So we go ahead with the carrot first. Just like that. Well, you know, I'm in my kitchen, so I'm using my hands. So, you know, if I was, because I do catering sometimes, I would have on a gloves. But, you know, I'm home, I'm comfortable, my hands are clean, and I'm preparing a family meal for the family at home, and you guys too. So, just in case you're wondering how I have on any gloves today. Okay? And guys, you could just eat this just by shredding like this, but I use a little vinegar and a little white sugar just to, you know, get a little tangy taste to it. So this is very nice to have just like by itself, or you could do as I just said a while ago. Alright? Alright, so we want to make space for the ribs, because the ribs is the order of the day. Trust me. But it's a balanced diet I'm preparing, so I have to have a little veggie. And these are the vegetables that I like to eat, so I'm sharing it with you guys. Alright, so let's place this over here and wait a little for the rest to come, which is just now. Alright, so Just a minute, you guys. Alright. I know I said I'm coming over in the studio, but guys, I got to ride and whistle. It's BLFTv where we ride and whistle. As Jamaican would say, ride and whistle. Oh my God. You definitely can have some of this food, guys. You definitely can. Alright? So I check back on the ribs and all. So it's like about 2-3 minutes right now, right? And this is what it's looking like, right? Okay, so remember I'm using a fork. I don't want to use a tongue because tongue is gonna just take off the meat off the bone because it is very tender. So I'm using a fork, okay? Alright, so let's continue. Right, so it's the same steps, guys. Which this side, we're gonna coat this side now. Alright, with the barbecue sauce. And this, you could also use the plain barbecue, but I like to make my own barbecue sauce, which is what I did. So I'm turning over the ribs and I'm gonna coat them, guys. So each side have the barbecue sauce, all the flavor to, you know, get infused with it and in it. Okay. Alright guys, so this is what it look like on this side. Same procedure. Oh my God, guys, this, you want to smell the aroma coming from this kitchen right now, trust me. Right, nothing is nice like when you eat in your ribs and it's so delicious, melting off in your mouth. Yes guys, it is so nice. This sauce that I'm using right now, oh my God, I want you guys to try it and tell me, right? Because if I continue to talk, you might feel like I'm exaggerating, but trust me, it is finger licking, right? Alright, so now that everything is coated right now, I'm going to place it back in the oven for another 3 minutes. Okay? And then I'm going to come back and put it on the other side and leave it in the oven. And that's going to be the last time, okay? Okay. So let me come down to the studio now, where you guys is. So yes guys, so I learned to do this shrimp when I, sorry, not shrimp, ribs. I learned to do this ribs while I was in St. Martin. I used to work in St. Martin. That's a nice Caribbean friendly island. So big up everybody who's in St. Martin. And I used to work at a restaurant over there in St. Martin. And trust me, the ribs in St. Martin is something to talk about. So I had was to learn how to do the ribs over there. And may I tell you, it's the best. St. Martin ribs, it's a bomb. Okay, but apart from that, mine own is the bomb no. Guys, yes guys, so I want to give you a little treat. As I was talking about with the Halloween setting from last week and whatever, so I say why not give you a, let me show you what's taking place, right? Right. I forget something, guys, but nevertheless, sorry for that. Oh, Pablo, I must say I learned how to say hello in Kenya. So Jambo to all my Kenya family, and hello to all my English family right here. And everyone else who is watching BLFTv, guys. Thank you very much for watching BLFTv. Remember to share, and thanks for sharing my videos that I put on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever, whichever platform you saw our videos, and you share or you like or you comment. Thank you very much. Or you tell a friend about it or a family member. Thank you very, very much, because you guys are helping us grow, and we really appreciate that. And another thing, guys, if there's any way you could tell me where you see improvement is needed, I would really appreciate it. It doesn't matter. Don't feel like I would feel offended. I won't, because I want to grow, and you are watching me, and you could correct me in whatever you think would need improvement, right? So feel free, whether you want to messenger me, and if you don't have my contact, you could messenger me on Facebook, or you could just leave it in the comment section and tell me what you would like to see more from BLFTv or from me myself. So I'm here, open up for all the suggestions, right? Big up to all my families. Oh, I should say big up to everyone who's watching right now, all my friends over there in the hospital who is watching right now. Marvlet Fritz, big up yourself. And my friends in Florida, big up yourself. Same way, God bless, big up yourself. And my family, big up on yourself. Same way, watching BLFTv, guys. And thank you so very much for tuning in. Right, so without further ado, let me just show you the cheat. Guys, everyone, please pay attention for a minute right now. Just if you do something, just stick around a minute. Let me say something. I'm about to show you something. This was something planned from last week, but for the because of the internet issues, I didn't get to do it. So I want to show you and have get your opinion on this. Okay, so I get this mask for Halloween, and it's a mystical. So I'm wondering, like, what's really mystical about this mask? So let's see. You guys be the judge, okay? Let me see what I go on. Hold on. Oh, man, the lashes. Alright, so here you have it. What do you think? What happened really? I'm not seeing myself in the screen. Guys, you see me? Me don't know what happened, but just something magic mystical happened a while ago. Me not seeing myself. You know what? Let me just take off this mask and see what's going on. Take off this mask because me disappeared a while ago. I don't know what happened. It is mystical mask. Right, so there you have it. Just a little cheat for Halloween, but I have to do a little cheat for you guys. Anyway, back to let's resume to the cooking. Oh my God! Happy Sunday, cuz, and the Indeed Sweets and the live. Happy Sunday. Yes, guys. So I don't know if you were paying attention. As you see, something magical just happened. Look a while. They say mystical. I say magical, right? Anyways, guys, we say right now so me I go back in the kitchen because me not go talk and make the food spoil because we were live and we want to do a good show. So your girl have to get back in the kitchen, right? So over in the kitchen, I'll be back with you in the studio soon. Hello, Shawnette Brown. Welcome to the BLFTv live. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna take out back the ribs, flip it on the other side, put the sauce, and that's it. Put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes and maybe 10 minutes. That's it. Let's see, right? And that's it, okay? But before I do that, let me check on the potato. right? Because we are do mashed potato hot and nice, you know what I mean? Alright. Alright, so you see that, guys, the potatoes are cooked. Because I cut them in small pieces, they cook very fast. Alright? So, alright, so I'm going to the oven right now. Guys, let me get my gloves before I burn myself. Alright. There you go. Guys, when I hear about smell nice, I'm telling you, this is something. Oh, let me put the camera back over here. Alright. Alright, guys. So, guys, this is something else. Trust me. Very nice. Oh my God. So, guys, as I tell you before, we can't use a tongue to hold it because it would just break off the bone. Fall off the bone, I should say. Alright. Alright. Look at, guys, look at this. Wow. So, I did it two ways so you guys could see really. Alright, so there I have it right there. Alright. And because me like my ribs well nice and juicy and icky and nice. Alright, that's about it right now. Alright. There I have it. Right there, guys. Can't do more on this because my family is small and it's only me alone eat pork, so you know. Alright, so I'm gonna place this back in the oven, and while I'm doing the mashed potato, so this is gonna, it will be back in the oven for another 10 minutes or 7 minutes really. We'll see how that goes. Alright. Alright, let's proceed over here now to the mashed potato. As you see, the Irish them already cooked, so we're gonna strain it off. Alright. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna strain it off. I'm gonna turn on the pipes a little. Okay, so we're gonna do our mashed potato right here. So let me bring the camera right here. Okay. Okay. Alright. This is our hot mashed potato right here, guys. Okay. Our garlic and our butter. I might use some milk too. Just see what I do, okay? Alright. So guys, you know we have to prep ahead, right? Okay. Alright, so here I have my, this is garlic, guys, and this is 1 clove of garlic. Right, garlic chopped very fine. Yeah, fresh garlic chopped very fine right there. And this is my butter, and this is unsalted butter I'm using though. Right. Just like that. Let's use this, guys. crush just like that. Mashed potato. So this is not a potato salad. Oh, and I must tell you, we're gonna have the Christmas cake coming up soon, and the sorrel, the Jamaican Christmas cake, what we call black cake, fruit cake. It's coming up right here on BLFTv. So, you know, me just have to give a heads up of what is about to come. Right? Right. So this is our mashed potato, guys. Right. Mashed potato right here. And I'm gonna put some basil in it. And a little milk. And right now, guys, I'm giving you a St. Martin dish, because this was one of my favorite dish working in St. Martin at the restaurant. I used to have this like so many, actually every day I want to eat this. I love my ribs. Alright. Alright. Okay. So because we're not using the salted butter, we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Alright. Alright. And then my basil, of course. Yes, guys. And you're getting everything right here on BLFTv. Alright. Okay. There you have it right there, mashed potato. Alright guys, so let me just pour a glass of wine while the ribs is about to come out. Right? Was a little bit still. Oh my god. Alright, that is good enough for me. Yeah. Cheers to be alive and well. Oh, cheers to be cheers to be alive and well. You're watching BLFTv straight from out of Jamaica. Your girl is straight from out of White House, Westmoreland Garden. Right? So big up all of my family who watching right now in Garden. Big up on yourself, and you're watching BLFTv, your girl station. And I'm having a little juice right here. I'm gonna plate you guys some nice finger licking ribs with mashed potato, served with my vegetable. I don't want you to show the plate yet. Not yet. Yeah. I don't want to show the plate yet. Just know I'm gonna show the plate, right? So I'm gonna check back on my ribs. Right? So everything cook and simmer now, guys. So let's get into it. Alright? Let me move this out of the way. Yeah. Alright, so right in time. BLFTv, do it right in time. This is supposed to be a half an hour video. Oh, this is supposed to be a half an hour video, but Anyway, guys, it was nice having you here, so don't worry about it. Little time we went over, so I'm gonna plate the ribs right now. Let me put my glass right here. Get into the oven, take out these ribs, guys. Yeah. If you want it whole, you could have it, and if you want it in the pieces, you could have it same way. But for the record, I'm gonna just cut it so you guys could see what I am talking about. Alright. Okay. Oh. Let's show you. Alright. This is what I'm talking about. You see that, guys? Alright. And just, oh, you see that, guys? Me don't even have to cut it. You know what? Let me place it on this side. Because it's about to melt off the bone right now. That's how juicy this ribs is. You see that? Alright. Juicy ribs, guys. Juicy. That's how juicy this ribs is. I got to give you a close-up. I want to see a close-up of it. But it's so hot, guys, I can't even hold it. So let me just plate it so you guys can see it. Put it on the plate because it's so hot. Oh my God, guys, I can't hold it. I cannot hold it. Look at that. It's melting. It's melting. BLFTv. You get all these ribs, guys. Ooh. I'm mounting up this plate for you guys. Just like that. Not finished yet. You know, we have to clean up our plate. Alright. Touch up the plate. And this is serving with some mashed potato right here, guys. Just with this butter and garlic mashed potato. You don't want it to done. Trust me, guys. This is something you don't want to finish. Alright. Let me just wipe away this plate right here. Just clean these edges of the plate. Oh my God, guys. And there you have it. Right out of BLFTv kitchen. My ribs. Right there. And just like that. And as you notice, it's fall now, so we have a little fall setting if you notice in the background. Alright, so there you have it, right from BLFTv kitchen. And I got to show you. Oh my God, guys. Alright. Okay. So, Pablo, this one is not for you, but don't worry yourself. Alright? Guys, the first person to write hello in Kenya language, so you're not going to write hello, you got to write the word that I used earlier in the video. When I was greeting my African people in Kenya, I use a word. So just type that word, the first person to type it, get a chance to spin the wheel because it's a cheat right now. Jamaica family class says so. We're hearing echo. Jumbo. Okay. So Mirel Shakespeare, she is the lucky spinner. So we're gonna spin the wheel for Mirel Shakespeare. Julian, just a little minute, a little bit too late. Alright, so spin the wheel for Julian, for Mirel Shakespeare. Next week. Oh, she earned a chance to get next week. Okay, Mirel. So Mirel, you get a chance to spin the wheel next week. So make sure to be on the live next week so you get a chance to spin again, right? All right. Trisha. Oh my God, big up myself, big up yourself, Trisha, big up yourself. Oh my God. I was saying like Roman Lock, that's a new person on the live, but good to know that it is you, Trisha. Big up yourself, my baby. Alright, so we're gonna spin the wheel and one more time because nobody never win like a while. So let's spin the wheel another time. And what should I say now? Alright. Okay, so it is Big Up BLFTv. The first person to write Big Up BLFTv get a chance to spin the wheel. Nice. Okay, so Jamaica Family Clark said Big Up BLFTv. So he's gonna get a chance to spin the wheel, but he have to give back. If he win, he has to give the credit to someone on the live right now. Okay? Alright, so we're gonna spin the wheel for Jamaica Family Club. Big up yourself, Jamaica Family Club. We're gonna spin the wheel for you, brother. Be what is that? No chick. $5 credit. Okay, so you win $5 credit. Okay, so Jamaica Family Clock, you win yourself $5 credit. So you got to choose which one of the person on the live you want to give this credit to. Oh my God. So just type it in the comment section right now and let we know. Guys, while Jamaica Family Clark is typing in the answer, I'm gonna show you the ribs. Me have to show you the ribs. I melt off my bone because I want to get the ideal of this whole barbecue ribs that I just did, guys. It's amazing. So let's go over back there and let me show you. I'm going to put it on a plate and come back right here and show you. Just write the comment, answer in the comment section. Alright. Okay, waiting on Jamaica family clock. Alright, so no, the person on the live right now. So you could choose somebody on the live right now to give the credit to. Oh, sorry about that, Jamaica Family Clock. Oh, so Jamaica Family Clock, guys, is asking who's in Jamaica. So who's in Jamaica, put up their hand right now. So he could see. Alright, so anyway, let's show you what I'm talking about, guys. Look at this. Alright, look at that. Look. Look at this. You see this? I'm going to show you. Look. You see what I'm talking about? It melts right off the bone. That's how nice. The ribs is juicy and nice. Guys, producer don't eat pork, but he might taste it over there and can't take his scent of the aroma of this. He put on the fork same time. A joke, a joke. Mm. Okay, so Get There Tour is the lucky winner. Okay, so thank you, Jamaica Family Clock, for blessing Get There Tour. Alright, so Jamaica Family Clock said Get There Tour is the one who should get the credit. So thank you again, guys, for joining. It's a blessing to be here with you. And remember, guys, to show love, you know, to each and every one right here. So remember, big up family, Jamaica Family Clock right now, guys. Alright. Alright, so Pablo, I didn't even learn the goodbye word, but I learn it next week. So later, guys. See you all, my families. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching BLFTv.